$800. If this is your budget for building your next gaming PC and you want a PC where you will be able to play modern games at 1080p resolution at ultra plus settings, then this video is for you. Now for the processor, we have chosen the Intel Core i3-12100F. This one costs around $105, and according to many benchmarks and by popular YouTubers, this processor is the best value for money gaming processor of 2022. It's because you can even handle a powerful RTX 3080 Ti for gaming with this processor, so you don't have to worry about bottlenecking of games with this processor, and you are also getting 4 core and 8 thread, which will give you a medium level performance in productive level workload. Then for the motherboard, we have chosen the MSI Mac B660M. This one cost around $129. Now as you can see, it's a premium board by MSI. Here you will get 4 RAM slot, PCIe Gen 4 support. Actually you will get 2 M2 slot, so you will be able to use 2 NVMe SSD with this motherboard, and also you are getting a big heatsink in the VRM section, so you won't see any thermal throttling issue. And for just under $129, this is an excellent option for this build. Then for the RAM, we have chosen the Team T-Force Delta RGB 16GB. Now each of the RAM are 8GB, so in total we are getting 16GB. And as you can see, those white RAMs looks excellent with this white heatsink and also those fancy RGB. And just for under $50, these RAMs are excellent value for money. Then for the SSD, we have chosen the Samsung 980 500GB SSD. These are PCIe Gen 3 SSD and cost around $50. And as you can tell by the review, these are excellent RAMs, and that's because for only $50 you are getting a speed of up to 3500 Mbps, which will give your PC an excellent performance. Like your PC will boot faster, your softwares will load faster, your games will load faster. Overall you will get excellent performance out of this SSD. Now comes the main part of our build, the GeForce RTX 3060 12GB graphics card. This one cost around $370, and with this graphics card you can play any modern games at 1080p resolution with ultra plus settings. Not only that, you can even play games at 1440p resolution in some titles, and you can also use this graphics card for video editing purpose. So for only $370, it's an excellent option. Then for the power supply, you have chosen the Thermaltake Tough Power 80 Plus Gold certified power supply. This one cost around $65, and as you can see, it's a 600 watt power supply. And for a 3060 build, 600 watt is more than enough, and also it is an 80 Plus Gold certified power supply, which means it's an excellent power supply for its price. And last but not least, this power supply comes with a 5 years plus warranty. And finally for the casing, you are using the Samasama Z4 white steel casing, cost under $65. And as you can see, this is an excellent white looking casing. Here you will get 4 pre-installed ARGB fan, and those of you who don't know, ARGB fan means you can change the color of those fans individually, and this also have a mesh front, so you will get excellent airflow, which will keep your components cooler, and a side tempered glass to show off all of your components. And for just under $65, this is an unbeatable case, and all those components will cost just under $136. And with no doubt, this will be an excellent gaming PC for this price. Thanks for watching.